ya Greg. Minister Tourism Najib Balala wete ministry yawe atira niba kuke barabara ida chuku makiri ingiro ne benyumo kendo tira barabara ini kwethira yikiro la miniro wangi ro barabara. Balala edrite akerera kulungite county ya Meru na county ya Tharaka-Nithi arawete nkulukini ba woka ruoro kilomita 53 ntere chiurangiti rurari kiti kururia tuku ya ruari kindi nguo yawe Alhamisi muthenya atongere boro TCS Balala otira ntubara bedrite miunda yoe Kenyangwa lekinya kuwata ngurade kana endo boto turo kumane na mpito gre chanyumo chekithaka ne bakuri wana mpui Samura Gishima ena tetoi
wakagita ndi akariba Tharaka ya neguru barabankanite na Meru National Park baigityo bakira kinyamara kinene guchumbura inyamo cia kithaka aramwe na ugukiriro kiago kiwikite ithirikari nene aramutaratara wa kwiriga park enu wambiritie agukinya kithungiro ni giki kia Uragate Minister wa Utalii na Tourism Najib Balala natongeretie wikiribo wa charwinchirwa park eno kenda kurigiria muthunganiro gatigati ka nyamo cia kithaka na antu rwinchiro rarugekirwa irwa kilomita 53 ara 15 ikarugamirwa KWS na wikiribo karuthwa imwingi kilomita 20 irugamirwa imukandrasi na wira ikarutagwa imwingi nacho kilomita inwingi itigere 18 wira erutwa imo kandrasi wengwa kandrasi erekaria chiringi milioni 96 atongoria banterino ibauritie Balala kinya ministry yake ekiriga pakaino ere antobara endo bago bauragirwe inyamo ireitoroka kuma pakainu amwena wenyangia ba makethana ndithia chiago.
Kuna watu wamepata hasara kubwa sana. Kuna watu wameoa na wanyama, kuna watu wameumwa na nyoka, na watu wamekanyangiwa mashamba na watu wameleta claims. Na sijasikia hata kuna mtu mmoja amewahi kulipwa.
Balala augite ati thirikari tayari ni ambiritie mutaratara wa kuria akaribaba ara anenkanirite cheki ya kiguche kia mbere kia marimamu ya chiringi 230.
Hapa Tharaka-Nithi 8 people died out of human wildlife conflict. The total of the entire damage is 326 people who have been affected. In Meru, 48 people died, and in Isiolo, 24 people died in human wildlife conflict. So what we have agreed with the committee is that we pay in 3 batches, because so we can, the little money we have, we can spread it to everybody. Here we have already paid 15 million for human wildlife conflict deaths.
Governor Muthomi Njuki na uritie thirikari yikirelami kibaragata kira gitigere kia barabara ya kuthungira paka ino ontubura Balala augite ati ministry yake ikajukia urugamiri wa barabara cionthe irithungagira ndeni ya paka kenda agatigira igwa kwa bwega
kutoka Katonga paka hapa 16 kilometers pekee yake ambayo imetajwa na Bwana. Hata ingawa hiyo barabara ni ya kera na Bwana Jiji ungangana nao sana na saa nyingine huwa tunasaidiana. The lasting solution kwa hiyo barabara ni wakati itakuwa lami kama zile zingine za dunia. Ikiwekwa lami kutoka Katonga mpaka hapo, kuona mtalii anasukuka na ile njia nyingine, utakuwa anatoka na hiyo njia wapi.
Today we are going to take over these access roads to the national park. We work with Kera and Kenya Roads Board and the chairman, so that they can allocate budget for us. Because we cannot take responsibility and we have no budget.
Akurikia ndiunga ya kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi, Balala na thiete imwe kwa imwe mwanka kaunti ya Meru ara akomanite na Governor Kiraito Murungi na atiga kimanja ya chiringi milioni 95 cha kuthondeka barabara ya kuthungira paka ino amwe na chiringi chingi 320 cha kuria akariba kaunti ya Meru barabara ingitwa ngero inyamu cia kithaka.
This eastern conservation area is huge. It's bigger than Masai Mara maybe twice. And the potential is huge. Unfortunately, we don't have a substantial or a good facility in terms of accommodation facility.
Governor Kiraito na rombete Balala atethie kureta abiashara bakwambiria uteri cha utalii ntere ino.
Please use your connections, use your expertise to help us to create more bed space and bring in a bigger flow of tourists in our park.
Ende iwerigirwa ati nyuma ya park ino kuona rwego rwa stima urethi uremi wa mwana uturo bwa karibanteri no bokagira nkuruki. Samuel Gaishima, Wero TV, Tharaka-Nithi.